various different communication networks are using into the horizontal formal communication. So one is single chain network. Okay, so single chain. What is this single chain? Single chain means it is exists between a superior and his subordinates. This is exists between superior and subordinates. Okay, here the superior can give the instruction to the subordinates. This is the single chain, like a communication flow top to bottom, superior to subordinates network. This should be considered as the single chain communication. Okay, here the superior and the subordinates simulates in an organization structure, then communication goes from every superior to his subordinate through a single chain. So no others cannot involved in this types of communication network. Only superiors and the subordinates. So these types of communication should be considered as a single chain communications. Next one is wheel network. Second one is wheel network communication. What is this wheel? So wheel means in wheel network, in all subordinates under one superior, all subordinates, they can receive orders from one superior. This one superior can give an instruction to all subordinates. Okay, so this communicates through him only. He has the acts as a hub of the channel. Here the superior only can communicate to his subordinates. Okay, then all the persons can receiving the information from one superior. So this type of communication should be considered as the wheel network communication. Yeah, so another one is circular networks. So this circular network, it is another one type of communication network we can going to use. In circular network, the communications move in a circle. Communication can move in a circle. Circle means each person can communicate with this adjoining person's communication flow is very slow, and thus circular network here two persons are adjoining. Okay, this circular communication means if any one person can got information into the organization, he can go to circular to all the persons. Okay, ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಸೊ ಅವ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ. ಸೊ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so this is another one network of communication. The next one is free flow. Next one is free flow network. Free flow means in this network, each person, who are the persons who are going to involve into the organization, each person can having the freedom to communicate with others. Like freely in the flow of communication is best in this network. Okay, so here all the person can communicate with all. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಮುಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫ್ರೀಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ into the organization. Here, this network, each person can communicate with others. Any persons can communicate with any others. These types of communication is a free flow communication. In a free flow communication, information can spread fastly. Okay, this is one of the faster network of communication, that is called as a free flow communication. Okay, so next one is inverted wave. Next one is inverted wave. Inverted wave, this is the one of the different form of communication network. In this network, a subordinate is allowed to communicate with his immediate superior. Okay, here subordinate can communicate with their superior. Okay, immediately. Okay, if any urgency is there, if anything here are happened into the downward at the lower level of peoples, in that time these subordinates can immediately then going to communicate with their superiors. Okay, superior as well as is superior. For example, here top level, middle level and the lower level management is there. If anything had happened into the lower level management, so these lower level person can go to communicate with his middle level, or directly he can go to inform to the top level delegates. Like that, here the subordinates can go into communicate with immediate to his superior or is the superior's superior. These types of communication should be happen were called as the inverted V. Okay, so here in the lateral case, it's like only prescribed communication takes place in these types of network. They having the limits. In sometimes if any urgency is there, in that time only these types of communication is happened. Here the subordinates can want to communicate with the superiors. Yeah, so this is the another one type of communication network we are going to use in the horizontal communication. Yeah, these are all the various different types of communication network are using into the formal communication.